Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to take the Foz for a drive. Stay tuned. As you can see, we've done a few changes to the engine bay. So what I'm going to do is get it up to temperature and see if it can idle great with all the vacuum stuff connected. We're going to take it for a drive later tonight because we are going to be opening that gate because now we have the dump tube on that. Last time we hit, well, the gate opened at 17 psi. So I'm pretty happy with that. I might change the boost up to that, because we know it's safe. Shouldn't be popping off any intercooler pipes. But yeah, I just want to see if it can idle and start up great with all the new stuff. Alright, so I'll just go over what I've done, because I've done a bit since the end of the last episode. So now we've got the intake on. So 3 inch, 4 inch into 3 inch. We'll probably end up going 4 inch. Got a filter on. We've got a vacuum. It goes off to a Y join. That goes off to the PCV valve. That one goes to the block breather. There's no catch can on that. Catch can goes to both heads, and as you can see, it's got a filter. We have changed the brake booster vacuum, so that is now here. That wraps around and goes up there. Fuel pressure regulator vacuum is now over there. So I've done a bit with the vacuum side. So hopefully she runs and idles a lot better, because there's some vents that aren't open now. This one is blocked off too. Alright, I haven't got the laptop in here, it's on charge. We'll be playing around with that later tonight. There's our gauge pod. Alright. Well, still hesitating. You hear those lumpy tabs now? Got a bit of work to do. RPMs. A lot of corrections going on. A lot of corrections. Yeah, look at that. A lot of change. No ethanol. We want to see less than 3. These. You've got short term and long term. But this is all corrections that is going through the Haltech, so it's good. I can put it all into the table and it should sort it out. Alright guys, it's been a few days since I've done anything out in the garage. Went away for the weekend, I guess. Into the city for the night. Anyways. This is really dusty from sanding, so we're going to get this out, give it a quick wash. It's still daylight outside. Later tonight we'll actually take it for a drive, so we can see what boosts we are hitting. I want to try to get probably 100 k's or so on this, and then we'll drop the oil. We'll do the oil cooler, sandwich plate, and hopefully we'll be right to go. Need to sort out the catch can system still, obviously, but we'll see how we go. So we'll get it started up, warmed up, and then we'll move her out, give it a little squirt. Need to work on that cold startup. Might give the Skyline a bit of a squirt off as well. Alright guys, later tonight we'll take that for a drive. Skyline's going to be coming into the garage very soon for a makeover. We are at temp. If we have a good drive, might go get some fuel. Yeah, just a rinse off. Still need to do all the wiring down here. It's spaghetti everywhere. But yeah, getting there, boys. Alright guys, I'm back. It's a couple of hours later. It's dark outside now. It's only 10 past 7. Grab the laptop, jump in the car, we'll change the boost target up to 17, which I'm happy with. 17 is fine for this engine. So yeah, we'll let it warm up, we'll do that, and then we'll take it for a drive. Alright guys, I changed the boost target up to 17. Also went into long-term fuel trims and put that into the base because they were up at like 17 to 20 correction. So better to have that in the base. We'll get closer and closer. So we are running better. So we really don't want anything more or less than 3%. We'll keep idling for a bit and get the temp up. We're at 60 degrees. We now have our new fueling in there. It's good. So O2 control long-term fuel trims are not active until the coolant corrections are off and the post-start corrections are off. Now we're getting corrections that are sitting around 1%. It's good. I'm liking this. Getting there, boys. This is all new with the new cam as well. Sweet. I would like to get a good drive in sometime this week. And if it's running good, get into some boosts. I'm trying to keep you guys recording because sometimes I forget. Alright, so we should get some wastegate noise. I'm not going to be stupid about it though. But I'll try to get a couple of seconds of external gate. I'm not going to have the exhaust open because it's so loud. Alright, logging. Change is pretty bad. And the dose is so much longer now with that 3-inch pipe on it. Alright, gonna have a quick look at the log. see what was going on there when I hit 20 psi. And yeah, we'll come back when I have a look. Alright guys, so here is the log of where it got up to 20 psi. Yeah, 20 psi on the map, 28% duty cycle on the injectors, or the flows, sorry. This green one here is the boost control duty. You can see here it's flat, so the RPMs got up. Then we go up, uppity up, up. So what I just found was spool assist. So how we go with that boost assist and see if that helps. It is pretty laggy. I did go back to this boost table of the duty cycle. Probably told me to change it while I was in the car, but as you can see, it's 25% up until like 10. So hopefully that boost assist will help. What the boost assist does is puts it at 100%, or spool assist, sorry. Puts it at 100% when manifold pressure is above barometric pressure, so positive pressure. And I'll hold this until the control point offset pressure is reached. It will then drop the output to the base duty amount, which is this table. Yeah, that'd be cool. Might drop the target pressure back down then. We'll go to 15, and hopefully we can hold it up to 15 a lot quicker. That would help. Don't think the auto is liking it that much. It's making a bit of noise on those drives, so we'll see how we go. Right, we actually had 2 points where we hit 20, or very close to 20. It's at 19.2. This one, you can see this yellow one here, RPM, so that is a gear change. You can see the dip. We'll head out again tomorrow. That'll be in a different episode. I'll check the long-term fuel trims. There we go. Now we're on our last log. So below that 750, which is lumpy idle, you can see that we're not getting much vacuum. We've got some corrections, not much. -1, and a -0.8 up at 21. 5,000. Yeah. Oh, there's a 5. 2,000. It's probably when I'm backing off, because that's a lot of vacuum there. Could actually play this and we can see where it tracks. So we can see if we're on throttle or not. Alright, there we go. We'll go back a bit. So we're at 86% throttle. 1%, so I've backed off, and we're in that cell. 2,000 and -17. So no load. Look how rich it is. Underload, it's alright. 13. I should check that up on my other one. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this episode. We got out for a little bit. We've done a little bit of tuning. Mainly just on the idle with the fuel trims. It did seem to idle a lot better than when I was out there washing it. So that's good. So next episode guys, we'll go for another drive. Hopefully we get better and better each time. I would love to get this out to highball. I don't have a grill. I've broken two. I guess that's from crawling in and out of the engine bay. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.